Folks, how you doing today? So I just got in this really nice 1930s Rock-Ola 5 jacks trade simulator. This is a really cool machine. They actually made a 3 jacks, a 4 jacks, and a 5 jacks, the 5 jacks being the rarer of all of them. And this one is a Rock-Ola model. There were several manufacturers who made them. This one is the more fancy front casting of all of them. I've left this in its original condition. It's a really super nice shape. Some of you people like them shiny, some of you like them original. We have elected to leave this one original. The way that this game works is it's a penny flip. So you put a penny in, you flip it here, okay? And as you see, it's a 5 jacks, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's your objective, is to get it into these little scoops. And as you play it, it fills the jackpots. Once the jackpots are full, the coins will roll off into the back of the machine, and basically that's the house's money. You actually can win on these. They do pay fairly decently. I'm not having great luck now. Oh, almost. Here we go, here we go. So you kind of get the objective. I am trying to get it into there, but you see they put a pin right in the center of them. But once you get it into the pocket, you turn this handle and it automatically drops the jackpot below. Then they have a little funnel here because a lot of coins typically come out because they typically do fill up. You scoop them through here. We take a look in the back of it, and here is the nice original machine. It also has your anti-cheat mechanism in it, which if you rock the machine, it won't allow the pennies to go into the scoop to get paid. So it has all of its anti-cheat in it. It's a really nice original machine. Once again, it's a Rock-Ola 5 jacks, the fancier castings of all of them, in really nice original condition. So if you'd like to have this, we'll get it boxed up, we'll get it shipped out to you. It's going to be a lot of fun, and it's a really nice collectible as well as an asset. Anyway, it's ready to go, so if you want it, let us know.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent, in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.